This is the Automatic 3. Beyond epic. Very iconic design. Thank you. Today's Automatic 3 in my hand. And I will show you Automatic 3 design, performance, photography, and applications. First, I will show you the Automatic 3 design philosophy. Automatic 3 adopt symmetry design the concept. So you can see that Automatic 3 and the Matic 3 Pro, that is so balance of beauty. They give you that this multi-camera solution more balanced and beautiful, and also the show you the aesthetics of the symmetry. You can see the central camera. We call this Eye of Muse. You know, the Muse is the goddess of grace. Muse represent art and technology. And it's really amazing. You can see that these three rings show the golden ratio. That's so harmony. And for the display, Automatic 3 adopt 89-degree. I mean, this is the most curved design in the world. So when you hold the Automatic 3, feel so good, so comfortable. And with the Automatic 3 display is 6.76 inches, bigger than iPhone 12 Pro Max, but the width only 74.9 millimeters. It's narrower than iPhone 12 Max. You can see the bezel of the Automatic 3, only 0.55 millimeter. And this bezel for iPhone 12 Pro Max is 2.33 millimeters, much better than Matic 3 Pro. So in the front, you can see that you almost cannot see the bezel. Automatic 3 is the 120 Hertz, the refresh ratio. So when you select the Automatic 3, you can feel the very smooth when you select the screen. This display supports 1.07 billion colors. They can really recover the nature color and give you the vivid display and feel. And this is our Automatic 3 series, the screen. 6.76 inches. They support DCI-P3, HDR10, the contrast. And the accuracy is very good. So you can see the data E is less than 0.8. Show the high the color accuracy. They give you consistent the display the result. Automatic 3 series support IP68, dust and water resistance. Show entered water 1.5 meters deep for half an hour, no problem. Automatic 3, the design inspired by magic hour. The magic hour in the nature is the most beautiful moment in sunset or sunrise. So how to make these things happen? Our video tell you how we design Automatic 3 colors. below the horizon, 6 to 4 degrees at sunset time, you can see that the sky is deep blue. And on a blue hour, the color design is inspired by this fantastic and amazing time. Next, at sunrise time, when the sun below the horizon 4 degrees and above 6 degrees, the sky become pink and gold. It's so beautiful, and Honor Matic 3 golden hour design philosophy come to this, the effect and the beautiful sky. Now, the blue hour and the golden hour in my hand. Okay, they show the magic hour, magic moment. Show the hour designer is really inspired by this amazing, the magic time. Let's continue. Classic white, and then classic and the premium black. And show you the Honor Matic 3 and the Matic 3 Pro family. Okay, the design is so beautiful and iconic. So I want to use a video to give you the whole look. After design, let's talk about performance. Yes, Honor Matic 3 Pro adopt Snapdragon 8